The white police officer who shot and paralyzed Jacob Blake in Kenosha, Wisconsin last August, an event that stoked massive and deadly protests and part of the wider debate on police use of force and race relations, has returned to active duty after being cleared of criminal wrongdoing. Officer Rustin Chesky shot Blake, a black man, 7 times and at close range and from behind while responding to a domestic dispute. Investigators found that Blake was armed with a knife and had resisted arrest, and say he withstood multiple taser shots before he was shot with the gun. The shooting also unfolded in the presence of Blake's young children. Wisconsin prosecutors cleared Officer Chesky of any criminal charges in January. On Tuesday, Kenosha's police chief said in a written statement that the officer had, quote, acted within policy and would face no discipline. It reads, "Some will not be pleased with the outcome. However, given the facts, the only lawful and appropriate decision was made." Demonstrations in Kenosha saw a mix of civil rights activists, anarchists, and right-wing militias. At the height, a white teenager opened fire, killing 2 people.
Able to hear me clearly today?
Jacob Blake sued Chesky in federal court in Wisconsin last month, seeking unspecified damages.
Fired, sir, and not commit further crimes, obviously, while